Hello, my name is Hannah Walker and I am here with Chris Cloak-Brown and Roger Houston from Owlicity, who are highly experienced insurance advisors in the functional medicine and aesthetics sector. So first of all, Chris, tell us about Owlicity, how it started and your role within the business.
So Owlicity really started over a conversation between Roger and I. And very much taking the view that we thought that the healthcare sector was not well served by the insurance sector in many, many ways, and probably too many to go through here. We felt we could actually understand the medical business and present it well to insurers and get them the right insurance at the right price. So I'm there to deal with the underwriters, to understand the business, to talk to the underwriters about the risks or otherwise of the business, and to persuade them of the benefits and why they want to insure the business at a good price.
So Chris, what makes Owlicity different?
Well, we call ourselves insurance advisors, and that's because we are very much to advise our clients about how insurance works for them. And we're not insurance brokers, because brokers are there to buy and sell, and we are not there to sell you insurance.
Okay.
So we're very much supporting our clients, and we're there to assist our clients to help make their business thrive.
Yeah.
And that's insurance for sure, but it's not just insurance, it's all the services around helping them to deal with complaints and claims and lumps and bumps.
Yeah.
And all sorts of strange things that happen along the way.
Yeah.
So if you're an ambitious business person and you're trying to drive your business forward, the last thing you want is for some strange thing to come out of left field and derail that.
Yeah, that's really brilliant. And then Roger, over to you. What is your experience? And tell me about your role within Owlicity and how you got involved.
I spend my time dealing with complaints and claims in the main, and I've been around insurance claims a long time. I was the operations director at the NHS Litigation Authority, and before that I ran Zurich Municipal Claims. So local government produces the breadth of claims like no other portfolio. And medical negligence produces the value, if not the emotion. So it's about people in difficult circumstances. So we pride ourselves on supporting people.
Yeah.
So we're very much that, you know, these are grown-up people that run these businesses. What you need to do is give them a proper appraisal of the risks they face, and then they'll make a decision and move on.
Yeah. I guess any insurance is only as good as getting a claim paid, isn't it?
Yeah, paid or a situation properly defended. I mean, that's the other thing on the aesthetics business, where large number of the clients don't necessarily have a medical background. They're in the court of social media, which is never terribly equitable, certainly never rational. And how does all this work? You know, if they end up making an apology and an explanation, does that mean the premium triples? Which it doesn't. So there are various anxieties that we're quite adept at dealing with.
Yeah, that's when you both come to the rescue.
Yeah.
And Chris, what is it that you love about working for Owlicity and in the insurance sector?
I think it really is, you know, having it as our own business, it's the opportunity to define how it works, and really, as you say, we really sat down and thought that the medical sector or the healthcare sector was not well served by insurance overall. So we really are trying to bring that business that does serve them well, serve their interests well, make sure that they feel cared for, supported, and that's really what we're trying to deliver. So, you know, what makes me really happy is the days when we really do help somebody out of, from time to time, some very strange situations. And so,
I can imagine.
First of all, as we say, anybody who thinks insurance is boring doesn't work at Owlicity. And secondly, it's just a great feeling when you get somebody out of that weird situation or that hole, and they can carry on and build their business.
And what is your advice when it comes to marketing for functional medical practitioners and aesthetic practitioners?
I think from my perspective, it's about clarity of description. So what can people reasonably expect and what they can't. Yeah.
I think it's absolutely that, and it's like all these things. It's definitely try and keep yourself in the premium end of the market. All the problems happen in the lower end of the healthcare sector, as I'm sure you know. So you need to be charging enough to be using the good products and the right products, and be communicating the benefits of using those products and the benefits of clearly paying a bit more, but having good results and good treatment.
So what makes Owlicity different, and why should practitioners choose the both of you?
I think we really are about understanding practitioners and their business. And so we really do enjoy working with the people who worry about their insurance, to be honest. We have clients who we talk to and ask us lots of questions, who then say, I'm sorry for taking up your time. And it's actually, no, you're the people we like, because that means you actually care about your insurance and what you're getting and that you're covered and what's going to happen. So many insurance brokers talk about personalised service and so on, and it is, but it really is, for us, it's that depth of understanding. And really, for us, we like to be in a position that when we present a risk to the insurer, we understand more about the risk than the insurer, so we're telling them how it works and so on. And we have, over time, developed a reputation with underwriters for that. So we can really get things sorted out and done. And when we tell underwriters, no, actually, it's like this, they, not every time, but most of the time, go with us.
Yeah, thank you both. It's so lovely to hear about Owlicity and your parts to play and all the incredible things that you do as well. So, and I can tell there's a huge amount of trust that you've built up with your clients and a real strong relationship there. And that's so important, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you are looking for a dedicated, experienced insurance advisor who will ensure you have the best options available, then just visit the Owlicity website to get in touch.